Hello, everybody. In this assignment, you're going to write what I write and draw what I draw. And the name of this page is going to be Greenhouse Effect. And the first thing I want you to draw is a line like that, and that's going to represent the Earth. So I'm going to put a couple of squiggles on here to represent some continents and shade it in with a little blue to represent the oceans of the Earth. But then outside of the Earth, we want to have another line like that, and that represents the atmosphere. And then far away in outer space is the sun, where the energy from our planet comes from. I'm going to shade that in with a little orange and a little yellow. And if you don't have the colors, it's no big deal. You could just do this drawing in black and white. And energy is always coming from the sun in all directions. And a certain part of that energy is coming towards the Earth. Only a fraction of the sun's total energy is intercepted by the Earth. And of that energy, you have some that is absorbed by the planet, some that is reflected back to space, and then some that is trapped in the atmosphere. So just kind of doing a messy job here, adding some color to my drawing. And the stuff that's trapped in the atmosphere is trapped by the greenhouse effect. So the sun's energy is 1, absorbed by Earth. 2, reflected back to space. Or 3, trapped in our atmosphere. And trapped in our atmosphere is by the phenomenon called the greenhouse effect. And the main greenhouse gases are carbon dioxide, methane, and water vapor. And the amount of water vapor in the atmosphere isn't really under our control so much, but CO2 and CH4 are released by humans when we burn fossil fuels. So fossil fuels can be turning on the lights in your house because a lot of the electricity in Virginia comes from coal. Fossil fuels include coal, oil, and natural gas. the gas that comes into your house. If you have a gas stove, that's natural gas. Some people's houses' heat runs on natural gas. The city buses run on natural gas. Oil goes in our cars. Some power plants also run on oil and natural gas, but in Virginia, we use a lot of coal. We're actually, it's probably about even now between coal and natural gas. And there's some nuclear here as well. So every time you flip on the lights, there's like a combination of energy sources. But I want you to draw this for your notebook. This is the greenhouse effect. It's how our atmosphere traps heat and keeps us warm. And a little bit of the greenhouse effect is a great thing. It keeps the planet the way we like it. But if we're adding greenhouse gases, we're going to increase that greenhouse effect, making the planet even warmer, and that's starting to occur now. And if we change the climate dramatically, it could be bad for all living things. So yeah, that's it.